I'm going to show you how to do the silhouette challenge on TikTok. So for this you actually need to have Snapchat app on your phone and have Snapchat account. So open Snapchat. Go on search bar and type Vin Rouge. And then as you can see here you can see the lenses. These are the top results, so you want to hit the first one. And as you can see this is basically how the theme looks right now, so you can basically film yourself doing the silverhead challenge. But this is how you can get the filter. So basically just record it. This is basically the filter you want to use. Record it, there we go, then hit save. And then you want to go back to TikTok right here. There we go, and then you can upload it. Go to Uploads. And then select it. Then hit Select. Hit Next. Hit Next again. And this is basically how you can do it and post it on your TikTok.